What's going on? So I want to show you guys what's been going on this week here. So basically this line right here represents the week, the new week here. So price actually gapped up, and my target was actually is still last week's low. So my target is down here. So let me go ahead and mark that up. This is last week's low. Okay, so this is last week's low. Let me brighten this up. Make it yellow. So this is the target for this week here. Now, let me show you what happened. So I had data that showed this is a bearish breaker right here. This shaded area right here. Let me make it a little bit lighter. Okay, this is a bearish breaker, ICT. So when price came up here and hit it, I said, you know, I was waiting to go short. I should have went short here, but I was like spooked out when I seen price pushing down. I was like, damn, maybe I missed it. Because remember, the target was last week's low, and still is, even though price is rejecting up right now, looking like it's probably, I might be wrong. But I still made money, so let me show you. So I went short here. Price started pushing down. I was like, damn, you know, I should have held. I'm sorry, I should have put on another position because I thought price was coming up a little bit higher and then dropping down to last week's low, which is that yellow line. So I was kind of pissed off, like, damn, man, I guess I missed it. But I still was like, you know, it's bittersweet. Let's say if I put on 5 lots here, I could have put on 10 lots, okay, just to give an example. Or if I put on 5 contracts here, I could have put on 10, but I put on half right here. So as price was dropping, I was like, damn, well, I guess I'll just ride it down to the last week's low, the yellow line. Then we had this huge spike right here, and I'm like, oh shit, maybe I might be wrong. I said, I'm not wrong. Price is coming up here where I thought it was going to go short anyway. I thought price was going to come up to here, around this area, and then I was going to be able to short down to last week's low, which is this line here. So when price came back up here, I was like, you know, I'm going to go short again. Where I was supposed to go short here, so it was a blessing. And then price just started dropping, and I'm like, yeah, we on our way down to last week's low. And then we had this temporary reversal right here, and I'm like, not reversal, or retracement. And so I closed early right here. So now I'm like, well, if I was tripping about, I thought price was gonna keep on pushing down and take last week's low, and I'm like, damn, I could have caught that little piece from right here to there. But now, since price is pushing up, since I understand the structure, I'm going to wait until price closes below one of these swing lows. Like right now, price is still bullish, unless it can prove it can close below this down close candle here, if you understand the structure. Okay, so once I see a break of structure, I'm going to go short all the way down to the weekly low. That's my bias. Okay, so that's kind of where we at. I was really mad at myself that I closed right here. I was like, damn, man, you should have just, because see, this is not, I just closed because I was spooked because I was up so much. You see, because remember, I got in all the way up here. So I rode it all the way from here, and that's on 2 heavy positions, here and here. So when I saw the money, I was like, damn, let me just close it. But that's not trading, that's being scared, and that's not cool, man, because how you supposed to make the bigger money if you letting the money control you versus invalidation of the trades control you, right? So that's kind of what's going on right now. I went ahead and got out, made the money, and now my target is still down here. We'll do it before and after. I have a level right here on the Fibonacci. If it touches this level, it's going to go up to a certain level, and I may show that video as well, but I just wanted to show what's going on this week so far. Thanks for watching.